huge rescue mission today. We got the team ready here. We're excited. We're taking 17 dogs from High Kill Shelters in California. Oh my God, you won't believe what's coming off this bus right now.
All right, who wants to be in charge of taking the paperwork for each one?
Who wants to be in charge of paperwork?
God, look at this big boy!
Look at the biggest dog I've ever
Look at this big boy, jeez! Hi!
I think this might be our biggest intake yet, and it's a lot of dogs. It's a lot of dogs.
Oh my God! Look at this big girl! Look at this big happy girl, jeez! You're so juicy!
face is just...
Okay.
Oh, you are a lover. Okay, I don't Oh, that face.
Jennifer.
Hi. Freeze face. Are you so nervous? I'm gonna forget that. Don't let me forget Terry, okay? Soulmates.
Look at these babies!
I wanna see. Oh.
Look at that little stuff. Look at that stuff go fly. Look at that stuff go fly.
Be brave. Oh no, we need better stairs. They're coming. You need to be carried?
Does she shed?
No, not at all. I don't.
Hi, Nunes. Good jobbies. Good jobs. Good to go.
Oh, you're my soulmate.
Hi, Nunes.
Love you so much.
Hi.
So we don't have to worry about it as much. Like we are at Fenstead right now.
Look at the babies. Look at the babies. Guys, this one has trouble walking. Oh, are you a big meaty? Are you a meaty?
Oh, Tim's gonna love you. Oh.
You're a big meaty boy.
You're so brave.
Hey.
Terry,
Do you know if all these dogs have been fostered? Oh my God. Or
most of them are, a lot of them are straight from the shelter.
Oh really?
Miss Nelly.
Oh my God, you're so beautiful. There's a mama. Little ones from a hoarding case.
Hi.
So he doesn't look snappy. We don't need to look for
No,
that.
you're fine. On the dashboard? I heard 200. They're okay. They're a little bad, but...
Let's put her in the senior center.
Best friends before you know it. Watch our face. It's pretty good. She's a good girl. That's a good girl.
Left in the kennel.
Wow.
It's there.
Hi.
She wants to leap down.
Once we get her in our arms, they're
Oh.
always fine. It's just getting them. We did it. I will.
I'm watching my face very well.
Hi. Oh, it looks just like our other little poodle. He's a girl. don't want her coming out of his cracks. Come here, baby. Oh, look at those short little legs. Oh, look, she's right behind you.
We knew you would like another dog. We just knew it. Yeah.
Oh, hello. Hi. Come on, let's go. Come on.
This is where everyone's going.
All of these dogs came from a variety of different high-kill shelters in California. So we're going to keep them quarantined for at least 2 weeks and get them seen by the vet. Once they're all cleared, we'll introduce them to the pack.